Dear students, in class 9, we come across one important theorem in areas of parallelograms. What is the theorem? The theorem states that parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. They are on the same, if they are on the same base and in between same parallels, they are equal in area. Now if you see, there is a green, this is a geoboard, and on this geoboard, if you see, this is the green rubber band, and here it is the red rubber band, and these two are parallel to each other. On this one, I am arranging one parallelogram. I am arranging one parallelogram here, and let us see. This is one parallelogram here. It is between the it is on this base, and between same rubber green and red. And I am taking one more here, and on this one I am keeping it in the same base. I am keeping it. That means if you see, the bases of the both are same. Bases of both of them are same, but whereas this side it has come to this side. Bases of both of them are same, but they lie between the same parallel lines. If the bases are same and if they lie between the same parallels, and if you remove this one and if you put here, now they are same base and same parallels, they are equal in area. Just they have the same base. They have the same base here and between the same parallels, and if I turn it and if I overlap it, they appear as one, and that means what? If they lie between the same base and same parallels, they are equal in area. So this is the theorem. Now in the continuation, we can do one more. If a triangle and a parallelogram lie on the same base and between same parallels, so this is a parallelogram and it is a triangle, and in this triangle and this parallelogram, they lie on the same base and between same parallels. So if they lie on the same base and between same parallels, the area of this triangle is, now if you see, it is covering one half of the parallelogram, and if I remove it like this, and if I put like this, it is taking in the another half. That means what? If the otherwise I can use one more triangle also. So that means here, first of all, here this parallelogram and this triangle are on the same base and between same parallels. Between the same parallels, they lie on the same, between the same base and same parallels. Now that means what? If the same triangle, that means what? The same triangle, if I keep it here, that means it becomes the half. That means what can we conclude? We conclude that the area of, if a triangle and a parallelogram lie on the same base and between same parallels, area of triangle is one half of the area of the parallelogram. And at the same time, if two triangles with the same base and same parallels, between the same base and same parallels, with the same base and same parallels, if they lie on the between the on the same base and between same parallels, that means here these two triangles have the same base and they lie between the same parallels. If two triangles are taken, the areas of these two triangles are also equal, because we can check. If you keep it over here, those two are coinciding with each other. That means what? If they lie on the same base means bases should coincide, and lie between the same parallels, their areas are equal. That means if two parallelograms lie on the same base and same parallels, their area is equal. If two triangles lie on the same base and same parallels, they are equal. And if a triangle and a parallelogram are there, area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. These three theorems, we can check it with the geoboard. Thank you.